Hello, my dear friend. Welcome back on my YouTube channel uniquestudy.com. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter Returning Home, and the chapter has been written by Vandana Singh. Okay, she is an Indian writer. So let's start the video. And here the chapter Returning Home, and this chapter has a content, and you can see on the screen of mobile. Young uncle, the younger brother of the children's father, is an enthusiastic young man. Okay, so here is the sum of the children who talking about a person, and that person is a younger uncle. Okay, and the young uncle is the younger brother of children's father. Okay, so and young uncle is an enthusiastic young man. Okay, enthusiastic means just like that, very happyful person. Okay, who give the entertainment to the other person, and his unusual adventure are humorous and entertaining. Okay, humorous means comic. Okay, it means it is a jokey. So it means the young uncle telling many of the story to the little children, and his story is adventurous and humorous and entertaining. Okay, and here he prepared to go on a visit to his great uncle village, and her uh, the children's uncle, it means young uncle, now make a preparation to go to a visit, it means go to the another place, and the place is his great uncle's village. Okay, the great uncle's village, and this exact is from young uncle come to town, a charming book by Vandana Singh. Okay, and this extract, it means this story has been taken from the story a young uncle comes to young. Okay, it is the book name, young uncle comes to young, and a charming book, it is a very charming book by Vandana Singh. It means this book has been written by the Bandra Singh, and book name is Young Uncle Come to Town. That's clear. So here is the sum of the words meaning. Like a cloud raised means moved away. Okay, memorable means remembering. It means some of the memory you have to uh, save in your mind, and you always thinking about that memories, so that it is called memorable. And ancestral means belonging to one's ancestor. Okay, ancestor, it means our ancient family members. And exploits means exciting and interesting adventurous. Okay, exciting and interesting adventures. And legendary means popular and unforgettable. Okay, forgettable, it means it is a memorable moment. Okay, and that you have never forget it. And next is bear fruit in, it means result in. So let's start the video and know more things about the story. Here is the little boy. uh, his name is Summer, had been washed away by the monsoon. Okay, summer had been washed, it means now summer season is gone, and the monsoon was come. And after a month of study rain, and after a month the rain is passed out, and the clouds receded. Okay, cloud receded means moved away. It means the rainy season is now near the finish, to make way for the cooler season. And after the rainy day we have to enter the cooler season, it means cold season. Okay, uh, we can say in a weather like a winter. Okay, we have here is the writer said that in the first summer is off, it means summer has gone, and after that monsoon is coming, it means rainy season is coming, and then it passed away, and after that the winter season is coming. Okay, and young uncle began planning another trips, and here is the young uncle you I also mentioned in the above of the in the beginning of the chapter. So young uncle began planning another trip. Okay, this time to his father's village, and where he make a planning to go, he make a plan to go to visit a father's village. Okay, father's village where he had spent some memorable summers as a school boy. And here his young uncle also spent his a lot of the time when he is a childhood and go to the school, and they spent much time more time in his school boy as a school boy, and they wanted to spend there some memorable time. And so he prepared his planning to go there. Okay, most of his family had moved out of ancestral village home, and the author next says that most of the family had moved out. Okay, it means many of the person in our country, we can say that many side of the world, many of the person planning to go in his ancestors home. Okay, just like that a village or town or a small town or a out area of the city. Okay, they many of the person planning such type of the trip. Okay, and moved out of the ancestral village home. And ancestral means, you have to see here, ancestral means belonging to one's ancestor. It means our family member is that lived in a previous video, a previous village. So these type of the person called the ancestral. So here is the uh, young uncle also planning to go his uncle's home. So father's village. So we can say that father's village will be the ancestral home. So but two of his oldest relatives still lived in the village. Okay, but two of his village oldest relative he lived in the village. And next the author says that the two of his oldest relative lived in the village where his uncle was planning. Okay, and these were ancient uncle and his wife's ancient auntie. Okay, here is the person who lived in a village, that was they were ancient uncle and ancient auntie. Why? Because they are elder to his young uncle. Okay, so uncle and his wife, ancient auntie. Ancient uncle was young uncle, great uncle, but most people called him ancient uncle because he was very old. Okay, so here is the author says that in a village there are lived many relative, and many of the person called him like a ancient uncle and ancient auntie. Okay, ancient uncle was young uncles, great uncles. Okay, they are young and great uncle. Why? Because they are elder to his father and parents, so they are great uncles. Okay, but here is a reason to call him a ancient uncle. Why? Because uh, he was very old, and whenever they mentioned him, they would say, okay, or ancient uncle, and shake their heads because he often didn't behave like a dignified old man of 88. Okay, and he says that wherever they mention him, it means wherever they called him, then they would say, it means they would say what call they would call, oh ancient uncle. It is the calling statement. and the children were calling him, oh ancient uncle, and they shake their head, and they, it means he was, ancient uncle also shake their heads, because he often did behave like dignified old man. Okay, and they always shake his head just like a old person also, dignified, and of 88. Okay, of 88, 88, you know, it is the numeral. A man of 88, it means his age is near about 88, not near but it is the accurate 88 that mentioned in the uh, books. So next, in fact, Sarita's last memory of him during one of his rare visits to their town involved crawling with him on hands and knees under the dining table to scare the dinner guest. Okay, so here is the, in fact, Sarita's last memory of him. Okay, it means here is the Sarita remember last moment that happened with him during one of his rare visit to their town. Okay, it means he hardly come in the town, and when he come into the town and knees under, here is the person involving crawling with him on hand. Okay, involving crawling with him on hands and knees under the dining table to scare the dinner guest. Okay, so Sarita, Sarita bowing down, it means crawling down under the dining table, and when he crawling there, they, she wanted to uh, scared him. It means scared the guest. An ancient uncle had horses and cows, and there were plenty of family stories about the exploit. Okay, exploits means you have to see in the meaning exciting and interesting adventure. Okay, so here is the ancient uncle had horses and cow. It means it is the, we can say that horses and crowd means to become fearful or horrible. Okay, and there were plenty of family stories. It means he has a lot of the story to that was the interesting and exciting. Okay, interesting and exciting for the children, and the children really wanted to go with young uncle to see their legendary relative. Okay, and the children really wanted to go with, it means it is a few of the child wanted to go with the young uncle to see their legendary. Legendary means you know very well that it is the unforgettable. Okay, popular and unforgettable. Okay, wow. So wanted to with young uncle to see their legendary, it means unwanted, unforgettable relative, but their mother put her feet down. Okay, but their mother put her foot down. It means it is the our traditional tradition to welcome the person by touching his foot and bowing herself or himself. So it is the tradition. Now next, what go see ancient uncle without me to keep you all out of mischief. Okay, so here is the uh, a child saying that what go see ancient uncle, it means you make, you can go to the village of ancient uncle without me. Okay, without taking me, and to keep you all out of mischief. Okay, and I am very mischief and doing, I am very naughty to make a different kind of the work that is the unwanted for you, so you will be keep from our mischief, and certainly not. Okay, but young uncle will be there, said Ravi. Okay, and it is the statement of the Ravi, and he says that to his young uncle. Young uncle plus ancient uncle means even more trouble. Okay, and he says the his feeling. Ravi says to his feeling that the young uncle plus ancient uncle means even more trouble. It means it is very boring for him. There is no any child, so uh, in with him he played with some of the boys or child, so it is very boring for him, so he said that it is very trouble for him. Their mother said grimly, it means hardly, and what about school? Okay, what about school? So the children were disappointed. It means when the her mother said that you are missing your school and here is the very problematic, so he became very disappointed, and young uncle reminded them that the trip would bear fruit in few stories. Okay, bear fruit means it is the result. Okay, the young uncle reminded them. It means reminded to his mothers that this trip would be fruit in new stories. It is the result of new story. It means when he came back to make a new story. Okay, so I think it is the first part of the video, and I meet in the another part. So thank you for the watching video.